Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Stripe account to your Wix website. So here you can see that I am on my Wix dashboard. So if you open this article, you will see that you can connect Stripe as a payment provider. So Stripe is only supported in these countries. So make sure that you are in one of these countries, otherwise you won't be able to connect your Stripe. Otherwise Stripe isn't available in your country. So if you are eligible, then you need to do two ways. Go to settings on the left panel, and then here you will see accept payments button. You need to click on it, and here when you scroll down you will see more payment options. You need to click on it, and here you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on see options in the bottom right, and here you will see Stripe. You need to click on connect if you want to connect your Stripe, and then here you need to click on connect, and this will open up a new tab. Here you can connect your Stripe with Wix. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.